applausi, grazie mille a tutti, thank you. Well, what a beautiful, beautiful night to be playing in northern Italy. At this time, please forgive me speaking English. At this time we'd like to say thank you for coming to see us and thank you for giving us your Monday evening. Thank you for letting us come to Italy so many times. And the hardest part was letting go, not taking part. Was the hardest part. And the strangest thing was waiting for that day to end. Was the strangest start. That was the hardest part. I could feel it go down. You left the sweetest taste in my mouth. I won't see my life come. Oh, but everything I know is wrong, and everything I do, it just comes undone, and everything is torn apart. That's the hardest part. That's the hardest part. That's the hardest part. That's the hardest part.